complete energy systems for buildings in residential as well as commercial become more and more important. Which components you need for that and which role AI plays, you learn now. Welcome on the booth of SolaX Power. On my side, I welcome Seth Wu from SolaX Power. Seth, SolaX Power is developing from a component supplier to a supplier of complete systems. What did you bring to Munich for your customers?
Yeah. Thank you, Sven, for coming. And today, I think we presented a lot of the whole system, including residential, C&I, and also utility scale, batch system. We're talking about in terms of residential segment, we're providing the whole system, battery storage system, and also EV charger, bi-directional EV charger, and also heating pump. Then the end user may use a single app to control everything in-house.
Yeah. And how do you combine these single components to a complete system?
Since SolaX, we have more than 1,000 experienced engineers, right? We develop everything in-house, software, hardware, everything. So we do not buy something from vendors, we develop everything. So that's why we could do better integration, right? And software-wise, we can connect each other, very smoothly and introduce AI functionality easily.
Yeah. And which role does play AI in your
Yeah,
strategy?
we developed the AI in multiple layers, like the top, like AI, we call it X Cloud, right? We also monitor all the systems here running in the field, and then we monitor every parameters and analyze the usage, how homeowner use their appliances, right? And then we collect data and to do big data analysis. And we have XBMS, then we use this to make it more accurate in terms of to monitor the SOC and the SOH. Then in the life cycle, we're talking about 10 years, we can output more power. And also we have X-Pallet, Co-Pallet. This is a service functionality, mainly for service purpose, right? Then it's by using this, and our most important customers like installers, EPC companies, they can easily find the support, data sheet, troubleshooting, instructions, then make their daily job much easier.
That's very interesting. So the homeowner can use more energy.
Well, exactly. And plus we have X schedule. So, dynamic rate is more popular in Europe, right? And then our X schedule can also check which time is the best selling moment to give our homeowner the best return, right? Then we monitor, and we also have the big data and to collect the the climate data, right? And also we monitor the consumption, data. Then we may give our homeowner a much better savings.
Yeah, that's a clever strategy. What is this strategy of SolaX Power within this year for Europe, for Germany?
Yeah, SolaX Power, we are not a new company. We are here. We came to Europe in 2013. Our first installation here in Germany was in 2014. So we are deep rooted here. So we have the philosophy, very important philosophy is long-term business, right? And sustainable business, right? We were here 13 years ago. We want to run sustainable business, and then we can be here in another 13 years, right? We fulfilled our commitment to our early adopters, early partners, and we will fulfill our commitment to the new customers, new believers. So strategy like localization, this is very important. European market is complicated, multiple nationalities, right? So we have a lot of local colleagues. Yeah, we've been here for 13 years, so we hired a lot of local colleagues. Right now, more than 200 experienced colleagues, local colleagues, supporting our customers. Yeah. When they have problem, we're not talking about only sales. We're talking about pre-sales. Helping our customer designing the system correctly, avoid any problem, failure happening from the very beginning, right? And also, we are talking about service. Yeah, product may fail one day, but we are talking about in time and native language speaking, experienced engineer to support them. Yeah, it's very critical.
So you don't let the installers alone. You support them very, very good. In a good way.
Yeah, I was told that.
Yeah. Thank you, Seth, for this information. Thank you for the products. And if you want to know more about SolaX Power, please use the website.